is a video about how to create a Binance Smart Chain wallet in 1 minute. We open the Binance org page and we'll go to Wallet and click on Binance Chain Wallet extension. On the extension page, we click on Add button and add the extension. Once loaded, close the Google page and open the application. To create a new wallet, go to I do not own a wallet and click. You have to put a password that meets the requirements. Confirm it and click continue. Very important, please, the words that appears ahead, you must keep them in a safe place. This is your backup. In case of losing access to the wallet, the recovery seed is the only way to recover the funds. Once this is completed, we will have your wallet created and secure. We go to the button that says Binance Chain Network and we change to Binance Smart Chain Network, and basically you will have the two chains available to send and receive. In the bottom below, we can add any token to the preview. We are going to choose the token Cape, for example. And all is done. You can receive token on the two chains and you can now fund your wallet and send. Very easy. Thank you so much.